Happy Friday, high tide traders and investors. It's Rod with Pow Group. Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth, your home for MJ stocks, crypto assets, news, and interviews. Also home to the best MJ community. Today is Friday. It's December 6th. Hope you're well. In this video, we're going to dive into the high tide chart, one of the most bullish, if not the most bullish chart in all of MJ right now. And we also have some news that they're going to be going global. I meant to get a video out earlier, but it's been crazy and just pumping out the videos today. So this stock has been absolutely ripping. And I think, with the retailers, or not retail companies, but retail investors are really starting to wake up to the opportunity, and I'm very bullish on high tide long term. Before we get to it, make sure to smash the like. It helps support me in the channel. If you're new, you can subscribe, tick the bell. You'll be notified on any future videos or when I go live. And as always, this is not financial advice. You should never buy or sell anything based on anything that I say or write. This is for entertainment purposes only. And full disclosure, I do own a very large chunk of high tide in my MJ portfolio. You can also follow us over on X, formerly Twitter. Handle for that is @GroupPow. This was reported by MJ Law Report. High Tide expands Cabana Club to an international market. So High Tide Inc. is expanding its Cabana Club membership program across the entirety of the United States, the European Union, and the United Kingdom. So for those that aren't that familiar with High Tide, essentially Cabana Club membership, it's kind of like the Costco, if you will. You sign up, you get discount prices. They also have the elite membership where you pay, I think it's around $50 or $60 Canadian. I think they have a sale on right now for about $30. That's what I was able to snag it for a year. So it's kind of that same type of model with Costco, and then you can go in there and you can only buy elite products. You get access to specific products, exclusive products, and then exclusive pricing on top of the Cabana Club membership as well. You can just sign up for free with the Cabana Club. You just have to give them your information, your phone number, etc., and you get some of the lowest prices guaranteed. So this is great to see. They're expanding the program across the entirety of the United States, the European Union, and the United Kingdom. So the global opportunity here is insanely immense, and high tide going global. Love to see it. The Calgary-based company is also adding snacks and confectionery to its e-commerce offerings, which currently include hemp-derived CBD products, consumption accessories, and related merchandise. The company tied the announcement with the consumer cultural phenomenon known as Cyber Monday and seeks to consolidate its e-commerce footprint. So Raj goes through some comments here. I'll go through the most important highlights. The new global Cabana Club interface will provide members with a single point of login to access savings with the lowest price guaranteed. That's sort of their motto in the value segment, similar to like a Value Buds. In the US, members will be able to purchase hemp-derived CBD, consumption accessories, and international snacks and confectionery items from Smoke Cartel, Daily High Club, Dankstop, New Leaf, and Fab CBD. Members across the entire EU and UK will now have access to these same products through Grass City and Bless CBD. Members can also access an exclusive page featuring additional Cabana Club and third-party coupons. The company said it hopes to enhance Cabana Club launch will place it in a strong position to take advantage of emerging adult use markets as it opens outside of its Canadian home base. The aggressive discounting on merchandise will be partially offset through the sale of additional elite memberships, as I mentioned earlier. The first year, those signing onto elite in the US, EU, and UK can do for significant discounts. So if you're looking to do so, you can do so at a discount. So love to see it. So taking a look at the chart here, this is absolutely hard to overstate the significance of this, right? Like this company just in Canada is growing, and in Ontario, the government doubled the store count for retailers from 75 to 150. So that is huge in itself. And they got a lot of expanding to do in Canada. So this is really just the early days, first inning. And right now, high tide is a daily bull flag as well. So we need to confirm it by a break of the high here at 362. In order to negate it, we would have to lose the 0.32 fib there at 323. So we were stuck in a daily equilibrium. We had our low, high, higher, low, lower, high, higher, low, bull break, back test, perfect breakout. And like I said, anything above that 0.32 fib there at 323 is a potential daily bull flag. So again, to negate it, we need to lose 323. If we do, we're probably heading back to around 310, $3. But in order to confirm it, we need to break the high there at 362. And then we just take our measured move there from the low to the high. We move it out to our 0.32 fib. And that is saying the target, if confirmed, is $4.51, which I don't think anybody would have anything to say about that. And that's USD as well on the NASDAQ. And one of the, like I said, probably the most bullish chart right now in all of MJ. This was an awesome opportunity to enter here on a double bottom. We had the low there at 158. We hit 157. And if you entered on that double bottom, we have now shot up 130% off of that low. We also just had the first ever monthly EMA 12 and 26 bull cross in history. And these are lagging indicators because they follow the price. So we should see continued momentum when we have a lack of resistance all the way up to 589. So I think it's just getting started here. And we could see an exciting 2025 and 2026. I think, crypto's coming on the end of the bull market. I've been saying for a while now that crypto is going to wait for big tech, crypto AI to top out, and then it'll go on to become one, if not the best performing sectors over the coming years. So this is looking fantastic. We're in a monthly uptrend. We're in a weekly uptrend. We're in a daily uptrend. Hard to find any other names. Most are in monthly, weekly, and daily downtrends. And we have a daily bull flag bullish continuation pattern as well. So monthly, weekly, daily uptrends, and we're looking for this bullish continuation to confirm. Again, all about resistance there at 362. If confirmed, target is 451. We're also seeing the stochastic cross bullish here on the weekly. MACD's extremely bullish, well above the 10-week moving average, and you can see it's going parabolic here. On the weekly time frame, we just got above the 200 weekly moving average. So if we can get two, preferably three candle closes over that green line, that 200 weekly, we're probably heading back up to that $4 or $5 in a hurry. And we're set to cross the 50 and the 200 weekly moving average, the first in history as well. So 2025 is shaping up to look like a fantastic year for the MJ industry. We also just had a golden cross with the 50-day below the 200-day moving average and crossing. You can see whenever it had the 50 above the 200 and that cross, that's a death cross, and we had tons of downside. Then we just had the bull cross, tons of upside. So things are definitely trending in the right direction. Let me know what you think of this news. This is, like I said, it's hard to overstate how the opportunity, the global opportunity that High Tide has, and just MJ as a whole. But High Tide definitely at the forefront, one of the better companies in my opinion. It's a retailer, so it's not into producing products itself. So I think it's a great opportunity to diversify within the sector as well, right? A mix of retailers, picks and shovels, and mix of retailers and producers, both in US and Canada and abroad, right? So having that diversified portfolio, and like I said, we're still kind of in limbo right now with the fact that we have tax loss selling going into the end of the year, and crypto and big tech AI stealing the show still. But I expect that Bitcoin, big tech will top out over the next month or so, and then that'll pave the way for small cap stock season and full-blown alt season. And I think MJ will benefit greatly from that small cap stock season, which should happen over the next few months as we look to the end of this broader market pullback. But if you haven't seen the video that I posted, how would MJ hold up if the stock market crashed? Check that out. I think it would obviously be impacted in the short term, but I think it will recover quickly and go on to become one of the best performing, if not the best performing sectors. I think, psychedelics, MJ, and biotech could be the trade for the next few years ahead. All right, going to end it there. Let me know what you think of this news in the comment section below. We'll continue the conversation there. It's Rod with the Power Group. Thanks again for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth, and we'll catch you on the next one.